Hi, this is Manoj. Recently, we know how to register ourselves in income tax website. Then how to log in with our password. Then how to file our return. We can submit return. Actually, I'm submitting my income tax return. I'm a businessman. Actually, I'm a tax consultant. So now, first of all, we have to check view form 26AS. If you want to apply a loan, they are asking this 26AS tax credits. Every year you can check it. I would like to submit 15-16 assessment year. We can submit 2 years returns only, latest 2 years, 15-16 and 16-17. Right now I'm submitting last year return 2015-16 assessment year. We can submit 16-17 assessment year also, but first of all I'm submitting 15-16 assessment year. This is the option prepare and submit online ITR. Click on that. Then select ITR 4S. You are a business person, select ITR 4S. You are a salaried employee, ITR 1. I'm a business person, select ITR 4S. Select the assessment year 15-16. Now from PAN database, what what is the address you are giving in the PAN card form? That will be displayed in the personal information. You need not to fill up this. Already it will be existing. You select first state Telangana, pin code. We have to search our pin code. Five one eight one seven six. Five one eight one seven six. Then mail ID. Then your mobile number. We have to select after due date 13914. See, before due date. Due date is July 31st. Actually, we are submitting last year. So, after due date, we are submitting. Select this option. After due date 139 by 4. This is original return. Every time we should select no. Whether person governed by Portuguese Civil Code under Section 5A. Select no. Remember again. You have an Aadhaar card. Please enter and give the Aadhaar number. I don't have Aadhaar, so I selected no. This is your business return. Every time you should click on this save draft. Then personal information is okay. Then go to NOB BP. Select your nature of business. consultancy service. We have to enter the turnover. Actually, I got 26 lakhs 45,866. This is my turnover. 26 lakhs 45,860. My income 3 lakh 21,450. That was my income. You can check income details. First of all, we should select the nature of business, then gross turnover, gross receipts. What is the turnover? You can calculate with your bank statement in this year, total amount around. You have around transactions between 20 lakhs to 30 lakhs. You have to enter that amount, then enter your profit. I got 3 lakh 21,450 profit after clearing my account. Then general exemption is around 2.5 lakh. We need not to pay any tax, but my income is 3 lakh 21,450. But we can take exemption from ATC. This section tells us if I will pay insurance or home loan principal or my children school fee or tuition fee, I can exempt up to 1.5 lakh. I have a ULIP policy for 50,000, so that I entered this 50,000. I got a 50,000 tax exemption from 3,21,450 income. Then 80GG. We can take exemption from rental. You paying rent 60,000 or 1 lakh also, you can take exemption only 24,000. See, I am paying 60,000, but it was displaying 24,000 only. We can submit quick e-file. We are submitting e-filing quick e-file. We have to enter those details in 3 minutes only. Otherwise, it will be session out. So save this draft again. Then again, you have to go prepare and submit online. Select ITR 4S. Select assessment year 2015-16. Then what you are entering, it will be saved. Then go to tax paid verification. Do you have any TDS? It will be refunded with your income. You need not to pay any tax also. If anything is there, it will be displayed in this columns. How much accounts you have? I have only one account. Enter the bank details, IFSC code. Enter account number. Savings account. Enter your place. Enter your name. Enter your father name. That's it. Then submit. Confirm. Again, I would like to send ITRV. I would like to e-verify later. Then continue. Your return has been submitted. Download the acknowledgement copy. Start download. Open it. It will be ask a password, protected password. That password is our PAN number and date of birth with the small letters without any obliques. I entered my PAN number, small letters CRRPK 3360H and my date of birth 2402 1993. This is our acknowledgement. This is our income. This is our deductions and taxable total income. I need not to pay any tax. Now we can apply for credit cards, loans, whatever. This is ITR 4. This is a business return. We can add a computation, profit and loss sheet, balance sheet. We can learn within next video. Please subscribe this video. Thank you.